Now we will continue activity 3 of lesson 6. Okay. Divide using repeated subtraction. How we will do repeated subtraction? See. First we will subtract 18 minus 6. 8, 6 gone. Total number is 8. And 6 gone. 6 take away. How many left? 7, 8. 2 left. 2 is there. Nothing is there, 1 only, we will write 1. Again we will subtract, see, 12. Okay, again we subtract 6. We cannot subtract 6 from 2 because 2 is smaller than 6. 2 is smaller than 6. That's why we will borrow this number and this will give 1 here. Now it has 12. Now it has 12. 6 gone. Total number is 12. 6 gone. 6 take away. After 6 start counting. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How many? 6. Okay. Now again 6 minus 6. 0. At last 0 will come. Means in how many repeated subtraction? In how many times we have done? 1, 2, 3. Answer is 3. Now you understand how we will do. We will subtract 6, again 6, again 6. Till then we will get the 0. Till then we will get the 0. And this we will see how many times we have subtracted. Okay, that will our answer. 6 1 times, 2 second times, 3 times. Answer is 3. Now understand. Again 25 divided by 5. We will start 25 minus 5. 5 5 with fingers we will take out. 5 gone. 5 take away. How many left? 0. How many left? 0. And here 2 as it is because no number is there for subtracting. Now again 5 subtract. Okay. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. That's why we will take 1. 2 will give 1. Now it has 10. Okay. Now and it has 2. 2 has given 1. It has left 1. Okay. 5 gone. Total number is 10. 5 gone. 5 take away. After 5 start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Means how many left? 5. And 1 is there. Write 1 as it is. Again we will subtract 5. Okay. 5 5 0. 5 is there. 5 gone. 0 is there. Nothing is there. 1 we will write as it is. Okay. Now again minus 5. We cannot subtract 5 from 0. That's why this will give 1 here. Now it has 10 and it has 0. 10. 5 gone. How many left? 5. 5 gone from 10. After 5 start counting. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again 5 subtract. 5 5 0 because total number 5. 5 gone. 5 take away. How many left? 0. Okay. In how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means our answer is 5. In repeated subtraction we subtract that number and till then we get the 0. Till then we get the 0 and then we will say, see how many times we have subtracted. Here we subtracted 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 times. Our answer is 5. Okay. Now this one. 42 divided by 7. 42 minus 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 2. Now it will give 1. It has 12. It has 3. 12. Now total number 12. 7 gone. 7 take away. After 7 start counting. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Means how many left? 5. And it has 3. Nothing is there for subtracting. 3 we will write as it is. Again we will subtract 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 5 because 5 is a smaller number. That's why we will take one borrow. It has 15 and it has 2. 15, 7 gone. 7 take away. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15. How many left? 18. And it has 2. We will write 2 as it is because no number is there. Okay. 8, 28. Again we will subtract 7. Okay. 8, 7 gone. 7 take away. After 7 start counting till 8. 7 then 8. 1 left. Here we will write 2 as it is. Again we subtract 7. Okay. We cannot subtract 7 from 1. We will take borrow. It has 11. It has 1. Okay. 7 gone. 7 gone from 11. 8, 9, 10, 11. How many left? 4. 4 left. We will write 4 here. And 1 we will write here. Because no number is there for subtracting 1. We will write as it is. Again we subtract 7. We cannot subtract 7 from 4. That's why we will take 1 borrow. This one we will take borrow. Now it has 14. It has 0. 7 gone. 14. 7 gone. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many left? 7. Yes, 7. Now here is 0. Nothing we will write here. 7. Subtract 7. What happened? 0 we get. Okay. Means how many times we have subtracted? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Our answer is 6. Now you understand. We start subtracting this number and till then we get the 0. Okay. This one is your homework. You do yourself this one. Okay. Now turn the page. Now activity 4. Divide using the number line. Okay. We will see. Start from 12. Start from 24. We will start from 24. And we will take jump of 6 in backward direction. We will jump in backward direction. Total number 24. We will start from 24. In backward direction 6 we will continue. Okay. See how we will do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times we have jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times. Answer is 4. Divide using number line. How we will do? We will start jumping from 24. We will start jumping from 24. From here we start jumping. And 6 we will jump. Okay. Take jump of 6. In backward direction. We will take jump of 6 in backward. Backward means this side. Okay, backward. Backward side we start jumping. 6, 6, 6, 6. Okay, how many times we have jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Answer is 4. Here we start jumping from 18. And 3 we will jump. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. Yes. We will start jumping. How many times we have jumped? See here. How many times we have jumped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times we have jumped. Means we have jumped 6 times. Means 6 times in backward direction. We start jumping from 18 and backwards direction 3 we have jumped. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 3 6 are 18. Answer is 6. Here total number is 20. We start jumping from 20 in backward direction. And 4 4 we will jump. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Okay, here. Okay. How many times we have jumped? 1 2 3 4 5 times we have jumped. Means answer is 5. We will start from this number, and this 4 4 number we will jump in backward direction. Okay. Now understand how we will do divide using number line. Okay. Now multiplication and division fact. See, when we multiply, you know very well, we multiply 6 multiply by 3, answer is same. 3 multiply by 6, answer is same. Like this, if we divide 3 18, 3 6 are 18, and if we divide 6 18, 6 3s are 18. Okay, this is multiplication fact. For each multiplication fact, there is corresponding division fact. Okay, hence 3 5 and 15 belong to the same family. See, here we will again do 5 4s are 20. 4 5s are 20. Okay, now if we divide the 20 by 5, answer is 4. Okay, here 8 2 8 is 16. 8 2 is 16. Answer is same in both the times. Okay, here when we divide 16 divide 2, answer is 8. Understand? Here we multiply 4. Here we multiply 10. Multiply 4, answer is 40. When we divide 40 by 10, answer is 4. Now understand what is division fact and multiplication fact. Okay, see, 7 multiply 8, 56. 8 multiply by 7, 56. Okay, here if we divide 56 by 8, 8 7 is 56. Okay, see here, 8 9 is 72. 9 8 is 72. Okay, and when we divide 72 by 8, answer is 9. When we divide 72 by 9, answer is 8. Understand? 6 9 is 54. 9 6 is 54. When we divide 54 by 9, answer is 6. This is multiplication and division facts. Okay, keep in mind this one. This is very important. Okay, now we will continue in next video.